Motormouth Jenkins here, welcoming you to our brand new YouTube channel. Hope that you'll come back and see every segment each and every week, and I will share preventative maintenance tips and regularly scheduled maintenance tips for your car. So whether you know a little bit about your car or absolutely nothing, this is the channel just for you, where I share over 35 years of experience as a qualified and licensed service technician with truck and coach, light truck and passenger vehicles. Come back and visit us and tell your friends, and we'll see you each and every week right here in the Car Connection Workshop on YouTube. Hey hody, Jenkins here. Friends, welcome to the Car Connection Workshop. Just came in, I needed a socket. A deep one. I call these a large, because there's large and then there's small. But so we don't waste all the time you have left in your life, we're going to get to it right away. Yeah. So, oh, yeah. You got one of these yet? You got one of these? Well, you better get you some. You got to get you some of these. Snapback hats, trucker hats. I'm going to lock it in place now. Clank. It's in place. You got one? Hey, head to our website, carconnectionbusinessnetwork.com, to our merch page and get you some while they're on sale. Because Skippy and I are only making $5 per item to help bring these videos to you. So help us out, man. We got to have coffee and donuts. Yeah, it's just not right. Okay, I'm going to get my sleepy mat. It is afternoon here in the South Shores of Lake Erie in Fort Erie, Ontario, Canada, the metropolis of the world. Some people say it's the end of the world, but I haven't fallen off yet. All right, today we are going to see if our next project so we're going to see if this see if the engine's going to run. Yeah. We need to know if this is worthy of rebuilding. It is already rebuilt, but unfortunately what happened was we had to put it in storage several times. So you're seeing what I'm seeing live here. I need to know this engine's going to crank over before we go any further and get this vehicle running. So get ready. We put a white mark up here where my finger is, somewhere about there. And I need to have this thing go 360 degrees without locking up. Then I know we can take the front end of the truck off, right back to the engine again, and clean it and re-detail it. I'm not sure if I'm going to pull it out and to re-detail it, but this thing was like shiny as a new dime when I put it in. Okay, here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ding ho. It's moving. We put some lube in the cylinders, I think it was about a week ago, pretty close to a week ago. And I've just let it sit because this motor cost a few bucks to put it together. It's just unfortunate. Life got in the way. That same year ended up closing the shop for health reasons, and you know, you ever been there? Life just seems to get in the way. And I put it in storage, and now it's time. Let's get this baby back out there. The Thor by 4, 1978 Ford Bronco XLT Ranger. And we put a 460 in it and took out the 400 modified. So hey, this is so far this is looking happy. I don't feel anything strange. This is a good sign. I'm going to take it around one more time. And then we're going to say a big yippee-ki-yay, because now the rest is easy. I'll take the front off the truck and strip the motor down and clean it and repaint it, dress it back up. And we'll just put some more fluid into the cylinders, because right now I'm turning this over and the spark plugs are in, so that's even better. So right now they're only, the plugs are in finger tight, but there'll be compression there for sure, and I'm able to turn this over by hand, and it's not bad at all. So I see my white mark coming around, I think. One more time. As soon as I see my white mark, then I'm going to be very happy. It's really doing good. I am really happy right now, because I didn't think, I honestly thought we were going to be a dead duck, because I put some money into this one just before we closed, and I had a health issue. I blew a couple of discs out in my back lifting a roll of carpet after the shop closed, and I was almost an invalid. Okay, there's my white mark. Skippy, give me the thumbs up when it comes up to the top. And then we're back where we started. But I'm really pleased the way it's turning over right now. We're good? Well, that's super duper, man. I am so happy. I know some of you were asking me in the comments, when do we get to see if the engine turns over? Today. And it's that I'm really excited about that, because as I said, cleaning the motor up and redressing it is not a big deal for me. So I'll strip it right down. Everything that was already cleaned, painted, and made shiny new, I'll do it again. And we'll be getting this baby fired up. So that's pretty exciting. But you never want to start building a vehicle back until you know the engine cranks over. And I've seen that happen to friends where they assumed that the motor was tight and right and everything was okay. They get it all back together, they hit the key, and all they hear is to thunk. Starter motor flying in, the engine's stuck. What do you do then? What do you do then? It's all for naught at that point, but in this case, we're in good shape. I've had this truck stripped right back to the firewall before, and it doesn't take me very long. So I'll take the whole front off the truck to get down to the motor, and then we'll clean it, detail it, and let's get her running. So we'll see you in the next video. I'm going to take our stuff inside. So we'll see you in the next one, and bring you up, keep you up to date, and bring you up to date with where we're at with the Bro, the Thor by 4. Now we know we can get the tools out, rustle up our sleeves, and get to work on bringing the Bronco back to life. And I'm excited about that, because it's been too long. It's been too long. Mr. Green Jeans, you haven't seen a lot of him other than his brakes, but you're going to hear him running very, very soon after 32 years. 32 years, Mr. Green Jeans has been, again, he's kind of moved along in storage with the 78 Bronco XLT Ranger, the Bro, the Thor by 4, named after my 140-pound Great Dane. That was his ride, and he loved it. He loved being in the back of that thing. I can just still picture him. He was like a child, a furry child. He'd jump up in the back of that Bronco and lay down on his bed, and he liked to be covered up with his blankie, and he just let out a big he was so happy. So we're going to bring that back to life just for Thor. So till next time, don't forget to like, share, and follow us on Facebook, because you'll see videos and reels there you will not see anywhere else. And don't forget to like, share your comments down below. Give us a thumbs up for our videos. We have a whole lot more coming your way, so stay with us. And don't forget to subscribe and actually watch the videos, because you can subscribe but not watch. You're not really subscribed. It doesn't help us. So what helps us is to give us a thumbs up, leave your comments, and subscribe, watch the videos, and ring the notification bell so that you know when we drop new videos into our YouTube channel, when we go live streaming on YouTube, and that you will get an instant notification. So those are the things that help all of us that have YouTube channels that want to grow. That's what gets us out to larger audiences. So they may seem like no big deal to you, but they're huge to all of us that have a YouTube channel, that are online influencers. We need your help. So also visit us at one of our local towns here, Stevensville on the web.ca. Click on the businesses tab, and you will also find a lot of shenanigans, chaos, nonsense, bloopers, and outtakes of Car Connection. You'll find us there as well. So till next time, have fun, keep it under 100, and put the coffee on. We're going to come to your house. Well, thank you for stopping by the Car Connection Workshop right here on YouTube. Don't forget to come back and join us for another segment. So like, share, tag, and follow, and ding that bell so that you don't miss a single edition of Car Connection. So till next time, keep it under 100 and put the coffee on, because we're coming to your house.